Hey guys, we got an issue with the Specialized Roll 3.0, and the issue is somewhat specific to this bike. So the Roll 3.0 from Specialized is a pretty nice bike. It's got hydraulic disc brakes, it's got 27.5 inch wheels. It seems pretty great, and I haven't had issues with the drivetrain or anything like that. Works great. It's a nice step through. There is one issue that I did want to highlight. This bolt right here, you have to have some type of Allen wrench to get in there. And a standard Allen wrench, the one that literally everybody has, is not going to fit in there very well. And it looks like what they did at the dealership is they took the Allen wrench, they shoved it in there, and they kind of stripped the screw as they put it in there, which is frustrating. What you really need is some low profile Allen keys, and I didn't even know low profile Allen keys existed until I had this problem. Then I looked it up and I had to figure it out. So that's what we're doing. We're taking this off. The reason why it seized up is Christina was riding in a really big flowy dress and her dress got stuck back here, and there's bits of her dress stuck in the brake caliper and I can't get it off. It feels so loose, I should be able to just do it with my thumb. There, it's off. It's totally off. So now that it's completely off, let's just see if we can work this off of, oh gosh. Got it. Now check this out. See that? That's Christina's dress shoved up in the brake caliper. Oh man, it is, this is so far gone. I might have to take the pads out. Oh no. Oh, look how much was in there. All of that was in this brake caliper. And it even pushed the brake caliper out. Look how far apart they are. That's insane. Wow. And she couldn't ride. She was it completely locked her up. All right, we got it set up. There's a lot of play in it because it pushed those calipers out. Okay, so I'm holding the rear brake. It took a couple pumps for me to get it set, and I'm gonna just tighten these and see where we are in terms of the brake just by tightening these down and holding the rear brake lever down. Pretty much that's the easiest way to do it with the disc brakes, I think. Let's try this. Yeah, that's good enough, I think. Okay, that's H5. We'll just cinch these down nice and tight so we won't have any brakes flying off on us. All right, we're done. We were able to get the rear all fixed up with the help of some low profile Allen keys. Very, very cool. And maybe don't wear a incredibly flowy dress when you ride this type of bike. Okay, well that's it. I'll see you next time. Have a good one.